Hello, everybody. This is Emo Boy Moo. We are back down with back with more Pokehaan craft. And in the last episode, we went on an adventure, grabbed some new materials, and I was trying to maybe do it off camera, figure out if I want to replace the wood. I think I'm not. And I was choosing the new color for the glass, and I think I made my decision, and I think I know what I'm gonna do with the glass colors. You can see right now I forgot to take that down. I was making it a surprise, but this is the color scheme I'm gonna go for: the pink stained glass, the white, the cyan, light blue, and just normal blue. And where I should have chose a 6 color so I can actually probably do something like art wise. I really want the Zubat, but I can't. And two, that I put this down and it's doing okay. I know I need to upgrade the dirt underneath it. And I did a little bit of terraforming, a bit, because I wanted to get this thing situated because I would like to get more garden plots up. So I'm trying to flatten this area out and basically keep this area. Oh, that, I don't have no Pokeballs, do I? No, because I feel like this is a little bit rigged. I cannot catch one for the life of me unless it's like a better ball. So I got this right here, and you can also see my screen's a little more bigger. I did not realize it can go up this big. And having it very small sometimes it doesn't help. So I basically transmuted it, and I also made another transmutation table, so I can have it here too. So now I have this guy here. And I had to do a little bit of getting some EMC stored up, but basically after I get terraforming, I basically put it in there. So right now, I think in this episode, we're actually gonna fill up every piece right now. I'm gonna keep the big pieces empty for right now. I know I'm gonna use white for it, but I just wanted to see if I wanted to do something else with it too. So, this is probably not enough. I'm gonna admit that. Let's get these things off my toolbar. Well, not the food I want to keep. Right there. I'm gonna grab the pink first and just go from there. So, I don't know if I want to do like, I'll probably start with pink on this side because I like the pink on this. So, and I don't know if I want to do like both blocks or just one. I'm probably just gonna do the one block. And I'm gonna do full pink right here. I know I need to do the roof still. I'm thinking of just doing clear glass, but I think I might need to I'm doing clear glass, but I'm thinking I need to get into Tinker Construct, so I might need to start and need to do the furnace, not furnace. What do you want to call it? A smelting area for it. So then I need to get into T-Construct. Is that the name of the mod? Is it? I don't remember. I don't know how to control my thing. Come on. Come on. I'm sorry. Tinker's Construct. I want to call it T-Construct. It's still the same thing. But we also need to probably get some new tools too. That's my worry. Oh, already at the top. That only took how do these work? Can I not place them? Oh, they have to be on. Really? Is that how? That, Okay, well, now I know, so I'm gonna build these things first. I was being stupid. Okay. So that basically took 3 stacks. Ow. Okay, food. I'm gonna die from this. No. Okay, so keeping that one, I think I'm gonna do light blue, dark blue, and well, I want to do cyan or light blue one next to it. Now I'm looking at it. I don't know if I want to keep. Should I bumped it back? No, I'm gonna keep it like that. Or should I have done window panes? I'll do that as an off-camera thing if I change my mind. But how the pattern I want it to be is basically that. I am gonna do the opposite on this side of the color, so I can have the 4 colors on there in the front. Actually, so I'm gonna do pink, light, pink, cyan, and then light blue and dark blue over here. Or should I do cyan? Actually, yeah, I wanted the darker colors to be on the opposite side of the light color. So pink, light blue, cyan or blue, and then blue or cyan on each one of those corners. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put. So if I'm gonna do that pattern, I'm gonna do it over here too. So now I know though, I need to do this. How high is this? Is it only 20? 20? Yeah, it's only 20 blocks up. Well, not really if you count oh, the what's it call it? The blocks that are taking it up. So I have 2 down here and I think 4 up there. Yeah, 4. So it's a full 23, I think. Yeah. So, and I think I am probably going to repeat this process a couple more times, so I'll probably cut back when, I'll probably speed up the process. Yeah. And I'll probably continue talking while, I'm probably going to do the speed little thing I did, in another video. And, to show the after piece when I get done with, getting all the, windows up. How about that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I'll be back. Huh? I'm confused. Did I just screw up a wall? Yeah, I did just screw up a wall. Freak. Oh, I'm gonna have to destroy the whole thing. Oh my god, finally I'm done. Even with the many hiccups I did. That looks like they're pretty good. Let me destroy these. this way. Why do I have an extra one? I don't know. Let's just hurry up and destroy this stuff. I'm gonna go to sleep. I want to see what it looks like. Come on. And that took longer than I thought so. So hopefully, I'm gonna count the minutes of how long the video is gonna be. Let's go to sleep. I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. Inventory. Okay. And now let's look at. Okay, I like it. I actually like the color scheme that I was trying to go for. Just the normal, okay, Tater, so. I think I might do white in the middle. Like, again, I'm gonna think about that actually off camera. I might even do it off camera, because that thing took forever to get done. So, now, I'm gonna keep this stuff in here. I'm gonna grab this stuff. Put this in my bag for right now. Oh, the bread. Because now I would like to, what was that? Oh, sorry, I need to scratch my arm. Ooh, that's a really good one. I want to get some more of these things set up. So I'd like to get some more. How many eggs? How many acorns are there again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 7, right? Yeah. But I already got green acorns already set up. So I just need 6 of these ones. 6 of those, and then I would like to make the different colored ones right now too. 6. So I want to take this one out. I think I can use a axe, right? No, I have to destroy it. We get the whatever color I want to get out of it. So I'm gonna do that one. So I'm gonna get. Ooh, how do you do make? I know I need poppers. So 1, 2, 3, 6. I actually want my colored one, so I know I'm gonna need that. I need at least 5 of these, right? I need to do like a hopper fashion. The yellow, a pink. I know the only one I can't do is the black one, because I have nothing for black. 5, and now I need the flower pot. Where are you, flower pot? Over there. Come on. 5. Oh no, I'm at 1, 2, 3. 4. I don't have a crafting station. God dang it. Get rid of that. Do I have a crafting station in here? Yes, I do. Awesome. Right there. Okay. Put that in the middle, and I think I remember the pattern. Yes. There's that one. I got the white, blue, red. Oh, that's pink. There's red. Got yellow now. And then we got green. So now I just need to put these in there, right? Yep. There we go. And I'm automatically gonna put these back in here, okay, so I can get, if I can spell it right, the colors, just in case I need to make more of them. Because I know for a fact I'm gonna need it. Oh, I don't need the normal hopper. I just need these ones, so let's put that there, put that there. To me it does not matter, but I am gonna take these acorns and put it back in here. So now, no, this. Get rid of the book, but I need a Oh. Yep. Then dirt. Because I think I can just do normal dirt, right? Normal farmland, that gives me more of an advantage on this thing, right? 12 seconds will be cut off. But if I use... No, just dang it. Alright, Yeah, if I use it in this type of setting. This thing, I can get more out of it, I believe. But the only one I can do is literally this Inframium one. How much more? So it gives me 4 more seconds off of it. I'll just deal with the normal farm one right now. So black one goes in that one, yellow goes in that one, green goes in that one, pink, blue, red, and then white. So now it only takes, I think before it took 3 minutes? Am I thinking that right? Let me see. I just get a normal hopper. Normal dirt. Alright, I'm so confused. Put that on there. No, it took 2 minutes. But it looks like so much faster for some reason. It probably just speeds up the process, basically. Yeah, but I know I'm gonna upgrade it to more of that powder stuff, so I don't have to worry about it. Am I gonna do this? Right there. Okay, well I got that situated. Now I just need to, like I said, I would like to try to cut this down. So let's keep on going. I don't think I take this time right now, because I think, well, actually, I think this is probably good enough. We at least got the, oh no, I'm not. No, I'm gonna take some time. I'm gonna talk. So right now, what was I gonna talk about? I don't know what I was gonna talk about. I already forgot. Love my brain sometimes. Oh, where am I gonna cut this off? I should do that first. Oh, little Chinchy. What? How do you say his name again? Chikorita. I don't want to say Chansey. That's the freaking bell Pokemon. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go down this way. I'm gonna go as far as this right here. What else I was gonna talk about? I forgot. I was gonna. Oh, I think I know what I want to talk about. I'm gonna make some. I am gonna. I don't know now if I want to do it because I feel like it's gonna be stupid. I think I'm gonna go back to, even though I'm having fun with the pokehaan I craft, I am probably gonna do another series without it. Just with a Pixelmon or Forge and make my own mod pack. With the mods that I think hopefully will make it fun too. I am gonna take some inspiration from pokehaan Craft one mod pack. I'm just not gonna do some of the ones I think that shouldn't be on here. Like, it's a little bit weird having some of them on here. But I'm gonna think about it later on. That's gonna be like a mini project for right now. So I'm trying to think, sorry. Apparently I can't multitask that well. What if I did this? Oh, well, I don't think so, because I think I go that way, it's gonna get the things on the side, so no. No. I do not want that right now. Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I was gonna say. I don't know. I'm already losing my mind right now. I am just like I'm doing this. Was quiet during the whole time of doing the paneling, all the freaking window stuff. So, and as I did that, I noticed there's not as frequently so many of the flying Pokemon coming in here. So I'm happy. So the only thing I have to do is close off the big chunks. Yeah, that's all I have to do now. I am thinking about changing. I might have changed the wood. But I just don't know if I want to change like the pillar wood, basically these pieces, going all the way up, just change them to different type of wood. But that's gonna look weird if I do that because I have such a dark theme. If I did like I don't know, like I'm trying to think of how would I do it? Like add a trim around it maybe. Like on the top, added a bit different wood. I know there's one mod that I wish he added on here, or she, I don't know who he is. I don't know who this person is really. But I wish they had the builder's gadget on here, because that would make it so much easier for people. I don't want to say like me. People who do want to build and stuff, and they don't want to basically do the scaffolding all the time. And where the builder's gadget does such a good job. Even though I know he puts the builder's wand in it, that thing I don't like at all. It's just like the builder's wand in Extra Utilities, I think it's from, or Dark Utilities. Oh, I don't remember what it is. It was okay-ish. Even with the destruction wand, I like that, but the builder's wand I did not like at all. It was too, not clunky, but too hard to build with. And if you make a mistake, it is a big mistake, and you have to either destroy it with the destroyer wand, or it's gonna basically destroy everything on everywhere. So it was a little bit, a little mad. So, ow, my eye. But this is gonna be fun. I think I'm gonna wrap it up now because I have nothing else to say, and I'm like, this is gonna get boring right now. I'm just destroying stuff. So yeah. So I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. I make new videos hopefully on every every Monday and Friday. And sometimes I don't. So but follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I know I'm gonna start posting some more. I'm gonna try. I know I have a little thing I'm gonna do this month. I'm gonna post on Instagram and Twitter. I just don't go crazy with like pictures and stuff, or I don't post a lot. I posted one thing right now on my Twitter and Instagram for the first time, and that is it. And that was like last month. So, but yeah. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.